way. Can you come here, please? 'Cause I wanna be.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I bleach my hair extensions blonde. I have two 20 inches, one 18 and a 14 in frontal. And the texture of the hair is body wave. Please note, I am not a licensed professional. This is just what I do and what works for me. The hair was provided by Jelanisluxurioushair, and I will leave their information below. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. So we will need foil paper, and I'm using my BW2 bleach powder by Heyyyyyy, and I'm also using their 40 volume developer. We'll need a mixing bowl and a brush, and remember your gloves to protect your hands from this harsh chemical. So I'm going to start by bleaching the frontal. So I'm just eyeballing my mixture, you guys, because I've been bleaching my hair for a while now, so I really don't need to follow the instructions. But if this is your first time, please make sure to follow the instructions on your product. So now we're just going to combine all those products together, and I'm going for a medium consistency, so it's not too liquidy and it's not too thick. So now I'm just using a wide tooth comb to comb all the baby hair back. The hair is very full, the hair is soft, amazing quality. So we'll start applying the bleach to the base of the hair, and then we'll work our way down. Okay, I think that is all done. So now I'm just going to set it aside for it to process. So let's move on to the bundles. So basically all we'll be doing here is repeating the steps. So I'm brushing through the hair, I open the hair and I fold it in half, and again I'm using a wide tooth comb just to comb through the hair. So for the bundles, we're going to start by bleaching the ends, and then we'll work our way up to the wefts. And remember, you have to move at a fast pace, but diligently. I'm going for a ombre effect, and you know that some part of the hair will bleach faster than some because the bleach touches some part of the hair before it touches other parts. So you have to move very swiftly. So I'm applying the bleach to the wefts as well because I really don't want to see any dark spots. I want everything to be fully blonde. So the hair is processing, so I'm just going to rub it in some foil and set it aside to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. So this is the desired color that I'm looking for. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse the bleach out. So I'm using lukewarm water to rinse the hair, and you have to rinse the hair thoroughly. You have to get all the bleach out of the hair before you apply any other product. So I'm rinsing the hair very thoroughly to remove all bleach from the hair. So now I'm going in with my silicone mix hydrating shampoo. So I repeat these steps about 3 times to get a good wash with all the chemical being removed. And then we're going to go ahead and add our conditioner. And I'm using the silicone mix deep conditioner. This is very good. It will leave the hair feeling soft and moisturizing. So after rinsing the hair thoroughly, I'm just going to leave it overnight to air dry. And the result is just great. I love the color that I got. The ombre effect is just wow. And this is the frontal. It took the bleach very well. This hair is amazing. And this is the extensions now. It's all dry. And I'm so happy with the result. The hair is beautiful. The texture came right back. I didn't apply anything to the hair. So I made a wig out of the bundles, and this is what it looks like. The hair is still soft. The texture is great. And now I'm just going to show you guys how I style my hair. So I'm using a 1.5-inch flat iron, and I'm just gonna give this some big curls. I'm not gonna neat and fine anything, you know, because I'm not really wearing the hair right now, and it's just for the purpose of this video. And I'm just gonna make it very nappy because personally I don't like my hair very neat. So I'm just gonna give it some quick curls and show you guys the end result. And I always curl the hair away from my face. So now I'm applying a little bit of holding spray just to make the curls a little bit more defined. I'm also adding a tad bit of argan oil just for a little bit of sheen. And I'm not using any combing the hair, I'm just running my fingers through because I want to keep those curls big. So I'm just separating those curls with my fingers. And this is the finished look, you guys. Oh my god, the hair is beautiful. I think I did a great job. Would you guys agree? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment in the description bar below. And any questions you have, I'll be sure to answer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.